Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're putting two lip sync methods to the test. We're comparing Gronk AI and Lip Sync AI to see which one actually delivers better results. Let's get into it. First, we need an image, and this part is important where your image shows the full face of your character. No cropped mouths, no side profile. PicLumen offers a free subscription with 10 credits per day, which is actually pretty nice. I'm going to paste my prompt right here. And now we'll choose the AI tool we want to generate with. What's cool is we can compare Pick Realistic versus PicLumen Art. Oops, I forgot to set the ratio on this one. Let's regenerate that. Now you can really see the difference. This one has more detail, more defined features. It just feels sharper. Honestly, none of these are bad. But I'm going to select this one right here. Using Gronk AI. When you open Gronk, you'll see some sample videos already generated. If you have time, scroll through them. They're pretty impressive, but for now, we're importing our image. I'll enter my prompt here. Now, this is very important. Add the words to your prompt, she is saying. Then add the words you want your character to say. And now we wait. All right, that's actually pretty good. Now, let's generate the same image again, but without lip movement, so we can compare. Okay, perfect. Next, we're heading over to 11 Labs to create our voiceover. Choose the voice you'd like to use and paste your script right here. Now, here's something important. We need this voiceover to be exactly 20 seconds long. This one came out to 24 seconds. Instead of regenerating it, I'm just going to trim it down. Let's create a short voiceover just for comparison purposes, and you'll see why. So let's head over to Wondershare Filmora. Here, I'll clip the audio to exactly 20 seconds. After trimming, export it as an MP3. Make sure you select MP3 so you're only importing the audio. While we're here, we'll extend the 6-second video from Gronk. As I said, we need 20 seconds audio and 20-second video for lip sync video AI. Make sure to detach your audio before uploading to lip sync video. Now let's move over to Lip Sync AI. Lip Sync AI offers free use of their tool, so feel free to experiment with it. We'll select our model here, upload our image. You'll also notice there's an option for text to voice or recording directly. But we're going to upload the 20-second audio clip we created. Click Generate, and now we wait again. It takes a little bit, so just be patient. All right. As you can see, it's not perfect. Let me show you something funny. I tried this dog character earlier, and for some reason it kept detecting his nose as the mouth, so that definitely didn't work out. But now you see what I mean. Okay, now that everything is generated, let's head back into Filmora and arrange our clips. I've already uploaded everything we need. Remember, Lip Sync A. I requires 20 seconds of audio and 20 seconds of video.
Go before us in every place we step. Block every danger we cannot see. Shield us from harm, seen and unseen. Guide every choice we must make. Steady our hearts when we feel unsure. Let unseen wings protect our path. And send your angels.
You can see Lip Sync AI still needs a little work, but with better images and some fine-tuning, you can get smoother results. Now here's another option. Maybe you don't want to use the built-in voice from Gronk AI. You can import your 20-second audio clip into the Gronk video. Just make sure to mute or detach the original audio first. That's another method of synchronizing everything.
Guide every choice we must make. Guide every choice we must make.
Now let's try Gronk's voiceover on its own.
Guide every choice we must make. Guide every choice we must make. Guide every choice we must make.
And wow, look at that. The mouth movement is clean, smooth, perfectly synchronized. Now, I've seen Lip Sync A. I create better results than what we got here, so don't count it out. It's a free tool, and sometimes it just takes experimenting to get the best out of it. All right, everyone. I hope this video helped you today. Let's keep creating, keep testing, keep improving. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.